How do you apply wave equations for GED Science? Imagine you're at the beach watching waves roll onto the shore. Those waves follow certain rules that help us understand how they move and behave. In science, we use wave equations to describe this movement. This is especially important when studying waves and sound for your GED exam. The main equation you need to know is wave speed equals wavelength times frequency. That is, wave speed equals wavelength multiplied by frequency. Wavelength is the distance between 2 points in a wave that are in the same phase, like crest to crest or trough to trough. It is measured in meters. Frequency is how many waves pass a point in 1 second, measured in hertz. Wave speed is how fast the wave moves through a medium, measured in meters per second. To use this equation, first figure out what you know. If you know the wavelength and the frequency, multiply them to find the wave speed. For example, if a wave has a wavelength of 5 meters and a frequency of 2 hertz, then the wave speed is 5 meters times 2 hertz, which equals 10 meters per second. If you know the wave speed and the frequency, divide the wave speed by the frequency to find the wavelength. For instance, if a wave travels at 20 meters per second and has a frequency of 4 hertz, then the wavelength is 20 meters per second divided by 4 hertz, which equals 5 meters. You can also find the frequency if you know the wave speed and wavelength by dividing the wave speed by the wavelength. For example, if the wave speed is 10 meters per second and the wavelength is 2 meters, then the frequency is 10 divided by 2, which equals 5 hertz. Applying this to real life helps explain how sound travels through air or water. It also helps understand how waves reflected, bend, or spread out, which are important in physical science. When solving problems, always identify the known values first. Then choose the right part of the equation to find the unknown. Substitute the numbers carefully and do the math step by step. Practice with sample questions about waves and sound to get comfortable with these calculations. Remember, the key is to clearly understand what you know, pick the correct formula, and work through the problem carefully. This approach makes it easier to handle questions about waves on your GED test. So, keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll be able to apply wave equations smoothly in your science exams.